Sometimes, it's the smallest detail that transforms an ordinary outfit into something unforgettable. A touch of color, a gentle fold, a simple wrap that suddenly makes you feel confident, powerful, beautiful. And today, that little detail is the scarf. A piece of fabric that carries stories, culture, personality, and endless style just waiting in your closet to be discovered in a whole new way. Hello and welcome to MS Style, where fashion becomes effortless, elegant, and uniquely yours. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. And if you've been with us for a while, welcome back to the Style family. Today, we're diving into something truly special. 100 ways to style a scarf from classic looks you love to 2025s. Trend-setting designs you're about to fall in love with. A scarf isn't just an accessory, it's an expression. And every way you tie it subtly changes the story you tell the world. Some looks feel bold and modern. Others feel soft and timeless. Some are perfect for winter mornings, while others add effortless luxury to a summer outfit. So, as you watch, imagine the looks that feel most you. There are the scarves that tell a little more of your story, silk scarves tucked into ponytails, statement wraps paired with sunglasses, lightweight fabrics turned into chic head wraps or braided into hair for that modern 2025 aesthetic. Each one transforms your look and your mood. As we move through these 100 styles, notice which ones make you pause. The ones that make you think, yes, that looks like me. That feeling is your personal style quietly stepping forward. Fashion doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need to be expensive, it just needs to feel authentic. And with a single scarf, you can express elegance, confidence, creativity, softness, power, whatever you want to shine through that day. Whether you love minimalist, neutrals, bold patterns, winter warmth, or silky prints, today's collection will show you how versatile this simple accessory can be. And by the end of this video, you'll have 100 new ways to style your self-fitch. One effortless and perfectly suited for your daily life. Thank you for being here with us. And thank you for choosing MS Style as your go-to place for simple, beautiful fashion inspiration. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the full collection.